Hi guys, you Leonard here, going for the third display here. And I hope that this time I get the full count of the holographic cards, which was not the case last time, but I did draw a farm girl, so I'm totally fine with that. I hope that this time I get my two ultras at least in my secret, because that's basically what you want to get out of this set. And let's see how we started off. We started off without a holo, but we started off with Oracle King. It's really important that this card is a king, considering that it's based on John Dark, which is obviously a girl. What's really important that it's considered a Oracle King. And we're getting another Shuten Doji. It's a really neat card for the deck, but the deck is kind of mediocre. It's feathered. Its effect is Feather so and you can summon it with Battle Ball if your opponent has like a level 4 monster, which is not that uncommon. So it's really Battle Ball is kind of a threat, but the effect does only work if you have no spell trap cards in the graveyard. So it's kind of crazy to see Raving Eyes as a common. And I was certain that it was a common, but still does look kind of strange. Even if you're so used to it being a super rare released short time ago. But that's it with the preview card. They're always like commons, or at least at maximum rares. The card is extra bug is kind of neat, but it's, in my opinion, still kind of slow. Because you have to send cards to extra deck 3 times. I know with Pendulum it's at least possible to do that kind of. Before it was like really hard. If you would be summoned 3 times out of the extra deck, or move cards out of the extra deck, it would be way better, because for example if you play Clown cards would be a decent enough drop on. Cards of the Red Stone, really kind of nice for an ultra rare. It's not as amazing as Farm Girl, but there is nothing as amazing as Farm Girl, just another Farm Girl. So this time the rarity the amount of cards I pulled in holo is not that strange, even for the start. We're still having half of the side, so I'm totally fine with the current amount of holographic cards. And there's the ultimate. Red Eyes, Flare Metal Dragon. Does look amazing in ultimate. I'm wondering if I want to play it just because I have the ultimate one. If I can get at least another, I need 3 copies for my build, because if I play it I would play it with Hieratic, because that can lead to amazing field boards which are nearly unbreakable, because you take like a million damage. My third Brilliant Fusion, I really like card. It's like my favorite super rare out of the set, so I'm totally fine with that. I'm still looking out for Void Imagination, because I have not yet seen, or at least I don't have one. Another chicken game. Up until now, it seems like that every display does have a chicken game. At least for me. Does seem like that, because that's my third display and I already got one. But theoretically speaking, every display does have a Brilliant Fusion for me, but I don't think that's the case for most of the people. And Trapeze Magician, really nice card, but it's not as cool as the Kaijus. I really like the Kaijus for what they do and what they are. But I kinda don't like how they're still so reliant on remove brainwashing. And there is another old one, Red Eyes Fusion. I like the artwork because it's so. It looks so much like the regular Fusion artwork from the anime, which we later even got. It's really amazing polymerization artwork. I do have one, but I have no idea where it is as of right now. Because the card, my copy is not top mint, so not really a card a lot of people want to get. So it's not in a trade binder or something, but I appreciate the artwork. Despite that. Let's see what we pull. Next we have already got 3 super rares, an ultimate and super rare. Normally I don't have that much luck with the ultimate, so that Goodreach really needs super rare. Its effect isn't that great, especially the one that flips once it stays down. It's kinda neat that they have an easy out to Vanity's Fiend or something like that, and it enables you to travel over a lot of cards, but I think the effect doesn't really combo off that well with Farm Girl, since Farm Girl needs to deal damage, and flipping monsters face down does not lead to damage when because Farm Girl does obviously not have piercing damage, which would be insane. But it's not like Konami never released unbalanced card. We've never seen one. Babok of Judgment. Never heard of that card. That card was totally balanced. Totally. Yeah, but I don't think Konami should continue releasing totally overpowered cards, because that's not really fun. Yeah, I'm thinking that there's not really that amazingly overpowered card in the set. I know that Decathlon is really strong card in Inferno and has mega utility power, and there's another holo. I think it's another super. No, it's an ultra. Gemini. The Gemini Lady Crystal Diamond, Brilliant Diamond is kind of neat, but I don't really think there are a lot of people that want the card. Especially now with Level Chain at 1 banned, which was a necessary card for the deck, because it could dump you another Blackstone of Legend. Really neat. That's like the Red Eyes display. 3 high rare Red Eyes cards, and Blackstone of Legend is still a really amazing card. At least price wise, I think the card is totally overhyped. It should not be worth 30 bucks if there weren't collectors that want to deck the cards, and people that are like wanting to play the deck despite it not being great, just for nostalgia reasons. We've already pulled 8 holes, so we're pretty much fine. Yeah, we pulled everything important. Maybe it's not a super rare or... Yeah, there's an Inferno Decathlon. We've talked about it. It's a really amazing card. It basically there's a removal for every card that is not untargetable. If he has a monster in defense position, it's even an auto monster aren't targetable. If you send Side Simmers in and just run into it, then you can just banish it with non-target effect, which is like the best removal in game. Non-target banish. You have to attack for it, which is kind of a downside, but I think I did really well with the pulls. If you think so too, leave a comment if you disagree with that. You can also put some... Oh yeah, right, we pulled 4 Red Eyes holographic cards out of the set. It's really insane. But it's not like I want to complain about that. Eagle Blade now signing out.